Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we inaugurated the first Food AG manufacturing exhibition by TDAP, which was inaugurated by the Provincial Agriculture Minister of Punjab, Mr. Ashik Shah Saab. And we had a very large gathering in the morning. They were diplomats, ambassadors from Vietnam, from Ethiopia. We had participation from almost 150 companies. Nearly 40 companies were from abroad. The biggest delegation was from South Korea, where 17 companies are participating. They have got their own country's pavilion also. There's also a pavilion by China. There are about 16 companies participating from China. Similarly, there's participation from United States of America, from Italy, from Turkey. So it's a very healthy participation. And there's also some senior officials who have attended this event. They have come from Saudi Arabia and from African countries, as well as from Japan. From Saudi Arabia, it's their senior director of the agro sector, who's from Ministry of Investment. We recently had a very successful Made in Pakistan exhibition in Jeddah. In continuation of that, we invited them and they have come, and there are a lot of fruitful deliberations going on. We had a couple of sideline meetings which were chaired by the Agriculture Minister of Punjab, and in which the fishery sector, the livestock sector, and as well as the horticulture sector were discussed, and a lot of investments opportunities were deliberated, in which the Secretary of Agriculture was also there, the Chief Executive TDAP was there. So there are a lot of serious business going on. And also the good part of this expo is that it's not only the international companies and national companies which are participating. All the 4 provincial governments are participating in this event. So you can find a stall of the provincial government of Balochistan, which is being headed by the Director General of Agriculture. Similarly, the head of the DG of Sindh Agriculture Department is there with their products. There's a huge stall of Government of Punjab exhibiting a lot of products and technological advancement which they have made. The KPK government's stall is there. So all the provincial governments, all the national and international companies who have showed interest in the agro sector investment are here under one roof. It's a big opportunity for all of us. So those of you who are interested in agro technology, they must come and visit and take advantage of this opportunity. So I'll invite you once again to please do come at the Expo Center Lahore. We are here for next 2 days. So there are a lot of investment opportunities. There's a lot of opportunities to enhance your business in collaboration with foreign as well as national companies. Thank you very much.